What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. I know you know what it is. So let's just get right into it. Let's not play no games. We're unboxing the brand new, fresh out the box Canon 90D. It has just come out today, and I got it in the mail today. Salute to Amazon. That is what you call being on point. Get it the same day it's released through the, yeah. All right, now listen. It is what it is. I'm a Canon dude. There's all types of other cameras running around. You know, you got your Sonys, you got your Nikons, you got your just whoever, whatever. Listen, it is what it is. I'm a Canon dude. I rock with Canon. I got my Canon 90D right here. I got. I'm recording right now with a Canon 70D. I got another Canon 80D over there. It's just what it is. I rock with Canon for better or for worse. You know, it is what it is. I'm excited about this. So again, I started off with the 70D, went to the 80, now to the 90. First impressions, unboxing. Let's just do it. Now, you know, if you follow my channel, you know what it is with the unboxings. I don't care about the book. Get out of here with that. We don't need to know. Listen, we don't need, this probably never even get opened. But yeah, listen, don't care about that. All right, battery pack, same as the old one because they use the same battery. So you get your typical stuff. You get your LPN battery, LP6, whatever this is, same battery. Yeah, we'll get into that low. Bat strap, yeah, I got enough of those. I don't need that either. Listen, okay. Before we unveil this, all right, I gotta let you guys know. Let me move my mic down a little bit because it sounds like I'm kind of loud. All right, so just so you know, this is the body only because, as I just said, I have multiple cameras. I don't need extra lenses, bags, batteries. I got all that stuff. All I need is right here that you see coming out of this, bam, this package. Get this out of here. This is what it is right here. The Canon 90D, fresh out the box. Let's zoom it in. Bow! You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is. This is, man, we here now. All right, so let me run down some of the specs. So if you're familiar with the regular 70D to 80D, let me show you guys. So just as a quick comparison. Why is all of this in the box like this? Because, to tell you the truth, I was going to return this one today because I got enough damn cameras. I had just bought the 80D probably a month ago, and they had the 90D coming out. I'm like, nah, same price basically. Let me just wait and get this one. So this one's going back. So when it's all said and done, I'm going to have the 70, 80, and the 90. This other extra 80D is going back. So just to let you see, all right, so I was showing you guys. Body is pretty much the same, all of that good stuff. There's a couple of most similarities, couple of little minor differences. We're gonna get into those things in a different video, but this is just the unboxing, and I'm gonna run through some of the specs on what you can expect. First thing that you see right here, it has the joystick. This is different. One of the same little stuff. You got your mic jack, you got your headphones. You got your HDMI, all that good stuff, all the same regular stuff. This is where it's a little bit disappointing right here before we get into the other stuff. They still only give you one memory card slot, but it is what it is. And I was hoping they was gonna make this like weatherproof, and it's not. It's not weatherproof, but other than that, all right, so what you're looking at with this camera is you have a 32.5 megapixel sensor. You can shoot at 11 frames per second versus the old one only gave you 7 frames per second. The battery life, although I said it has the same LP6, LPN, I always forget the LP, whatever the name of the batteries are. Even though it's the same battery, you're getting a little bit extra battery life due to the upgraded processor in this camera. You can take 1,300 shots with this camera, with the battery life, compared to the 80D. You got like 960 shots, so you get more battery life. We'll see how it works when it comes to video, because that's my main thing. Video. But I do take pictures also, so we'll see what that is. But let's see. I always like to see if there's charge. I hate buying stuff and there's no, you always need that initial charge. But if not, I'm prepared, because I got battery here. I got more battery. I'm ready. I'm ready. So let's see. You see, that sucks. There's no battery. This is dead right out the box. That sucks. But as I said, I'm ready. I'm prepared. It's nothing. It's nothing. I hope one of these work. All right, so here we go. It's on. Just want to make sure it works. All right, so back to some of the specs. You get, it does shoot 4K. So let's go into the menu. It does shoot 4K. See, look, I just tried to pull this out. I just realized on the old one real quick, the slot for you to grab is here, right here. So right away, I see they moved the little slot. See, either you go under or you go here, and then it kind of snaps in. Noticing that right off the bat, whereas the other one, it kind of snaps in, but not really the same. Like I said, this isn't a comparison. We'll get into that later, but I just want to show you just my initial response, my initial comparisons. I'll get to this stuff later. No card and camera, of course. Let me pop a card in here real quick so I can see. I want to just get to the 4K part and just show you guys the 4K, just to let you. Of course, you get the same swivel. This is great. The swivel screen, that is like one of the best things ever. And of course, I'm gonna have to get all my settings straight. Of course, if you don't know, it's a touch screen, and you can also use the other function buttons as well as the toggle joystick. So I just want to see for myself. All right, see right there, 4K. So that's something that the other Canons, they didn't give you. Well, the 80D and the 70D, of course, it's not going to focus now. They didn't allow 4K. So this one, we can get 4K. I'll B-roll it if you can't see it. So you do get 4K video at 30 frames per second. It is uncropped, which is a beautiful thing. You can also get 180p at 120 frames per second, and also 60 and 30 frames per second. Just a couple of other little functions, but that's pretty much it. Like it's for the most part, honestly, if you have the 80D, you have all of the same features. The only real upgrade to this is you have your 4K. You can shoot in 4K. It has the megapixels are better, so your picture quality should be sharper. 32.5 compared to the old one, which is 34.2. You can shoot more frames per second, 11 compared to 7, and you should have upgraded battery life because of the new processor. So you'll be able to get 1,300 shots compared to 960. So this is pretty much it. It is what it is. But if you're a Canon person like me, I'm already invested in all my different Canon lenses. I have other Canon cameras. So the main thing, I just really wanted the 4K, the updated processor, and hopefully that'll all work out for me. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna do some more videos. I'm gonna do some comparison videos, and just give you my real overall thoughts about what I think about this camera once I start using it. I actually have a video that I need to shoot as soon as I end this one. So I'm going to get a test of this very, very quickly. I just have to set up my my functions and stuff. The other thing I noticed right off the bat, this is different, and this right here is raised. The little icons or whatever you call it. This is raised, and it's a little bit different compared to this one. Minor stuff, like I said. It's all about the performance. So definitely stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Please hit that like button. Definitely hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time something else pops on the radar. And of course, when I get these other videos, I'm going to be comparing all these different cameras and giving you more specs and performance and all that. So stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Salute.